Hello friends, how are you all? I am Priyal Agrawal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to see how we can create this simple 3D model with the help of SolidWorks. And friends, this is our isometric drawing with the help of which we are going to create this model. So let's start. So friends, let's create a new file. So for that, here click on File and select New. And here select Part because we are doing part modeling. Now friends, we will start by creating this feature first. So for that, select top plane and here select sketch. And friends, here select circle and let's create a circle. And friends, its diameter is given as 50 mm. Now friends, it's time to extrude. So for that, from features, select extruded process command. And here give extrude length of 48 mm. And here select mid plane. Now simply click OK. Now friends, it's time to create this feature. So for this, select this plane and here select sketch. And here select this 3 point. Here select center point arc slot. And select this point and create like this. Now friends, let's give some dimensions. So friends, radius of this outer arc is given as radius of this outer arc is given as 75 mm. This inner arc is given as 45 mm and this middle arc radius is given as 60 mm. So let's create this. So here radius is given as 75 mm. This radius is given as 45 mm. And this radius is given as 60 mm. Now simply click OK. And friends, select this point and give lesson vertical. Select this point and this point. So friends, it is not working like this. So friends, create a center line. A vertical center line. Select this point and this point. Give lesson coincident. And select this line and this point. Here also give lesson coincident. Now it's fine. And here also friends, select a center line, horizontal center line from the origin point and select this line and select this point and give lesson coincident. See friends, this point is coming on the horizontal center line and this point is coming on the vertical center line and this middle point is at a distance of is at a angle of 45 degree from this vertical center line. So here also friends, we create a vertical line to check it only. Already already at 45 degree, but we will check it. Now friends, select smart dimension and select this line and this line and let's check the angle. So see friends, here angle is 45 degree and that's what we wanted. So friends, now it's time to create these three circles and diameter of these holes is given as 15 mm. So let's create these. So friends, here click on the circle, select circle command and here create a circle like this, here also and here also. Now simply right click and select. Now friends, give lesson equal among these three circles and diameter is given as 15 mm. So select the circle and give diameter of 15 mm. Now it's fine. And see friends, select this circle and this point and give reason coincident. Now is it also fine. Now friends, we want to create this slot also. So for that, we will simply mirror it. So let's create a center line about which we will mirror it. So create a center line like this. Now select this origin point and this center line and give reason coincident. And select this vertical line and this line. Give angle of 45 degree. Now friends, select mirror entities. And in entities to mirror, select this 3-point arc and these 3 circles. And here in mirror about, select this center line. See friends. Now it's perfectly fine. So our both slots have been created. So now it's time to extrude. So friends see. Here extrude length is given as 15 plus 5, 20 mm. So here let's extrude it. So go in the features and here select extruded boss base command. Here reverse the direction of extrusion and give extrude length of 20 mm like this. And now simply click OK. Friends, click on the front plane and select sketch. Now friends, let's start creating our sketch. Now friends, let's create a center rectangle. We are creating this feature. So for this, we will have to create a center rectangle. So we have created the center rectangle. Now simply right click, select. And here select this point and this origin point and give relation vertical. And here click on smart dimensions and let's give some dimensions. So this length is given as 30 mm and this length is given as 10 mm, 15 mm, sorry. This length is given as 15 mm and this line from this edge is at a distance of 5 mm. Now it's perfectly fine friends. So now friends, it's time to extrude. So from features, click on extruded box base command and here friends select up to surface and here select the surface and in direction 2 also select surface. So here friends select this surface. Now click on OK. See friends, now our feature has been created perfectly. Now it's time to create this center hole and this hole is of diameter 30 mm. So here select this face and select sketch and here create a circle and this circle is of diameter 30 mm. And now simply go in the features and from here select extruded cut. And friends here give end condition true all both. And now simply click OK. Now friends is perfectly fine. And it's time to give some fillets. So friends here give fillet radius of 2 mm. And let's give fillet to this edge, this edge, this. Like this face and select this face. And now friends in the back side we don't need to give any fillet. And now it's perfectly fine. So simply click OK. See friends. And now friends, let's give some material. So for that, here, click on the appearances and friends here select some material. So here I am selecting nickel. And from here I am selecting brushed nickel. See friends, so my material also has been applied. And our model is ready. So friends, our 3D model has been created. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you have understood it well how to create a 3D model of this type with the help of SolidWorks. So, if you have understood it well, then please like my video and share it with your friends so that they can also be benefited. And also, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep watching such kind of amazing content daily. And keep watching, keep learning.